Hi everyone, this is Altaf and welcome to this HTML course. This will give you a complete course and let you know everything that you need to know about HTML to create web application. So let's get started. See, this is doc type HTML and then HTML title, body and paragraph. This is format of HTML code. Within a title, you can write a page name, and within a body, you can write code. And only within a body is a visible part, okay? And this is a P, is not the paragraph, and within a P, you have to write paragraph. So today I will show you how to insert image on your web page. So let's see it. I'm going to write, yeah. See, this is image source and then mypic.jpg. This is a type of image in JPG, okay. And then I'm going to save it. I will say it web page, web.html, okay. And then save it. And then you can see, yeah, here is a web page, okay. And when you will open it, it will be show my photo, okay. Yeah, see, here is show my photo. So come back to here, this is my pic, okay. And this pic also you can open on this same page, okay. For example, if I want to open ghost on my web page, then come back to code and just copy it and paste it. And in place of my pic, what you have to write here is ghost and then save it. Then you can see it will reflect on my web page. See, something went wrong. You know what? Yeah, because ghost page is not a JPG. It's a, I save it as PNG to show you how it different from JPG. So now save it and then come back here, then refresh it. Yeah, see ghost. Wow, it's scared, huh? And here one thing you have to note down is that your image file and your code file should be on same file, right? For example, this dream car, okay, this is also you can open on there, right? For example, just paste it in place of my pic. What you write is dream car, then save it and then see, right? Thank you so much guys for watching this.